Why is our performance called Starry Night? Well, of course, at ATMSA, we are the shining stars. But there's also another reason. Starry Night was also named after the famous painting called Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. As a magnet school, we believe in arts integration. Have you noticed our sculptures in the front courtyard? They are inspired by the cypress trees in Van Gogh's Starry Night. Another hint of Van Gogh is in the letter O of the welcome sign outside of the visual arts room. Starry Night is a famous oil on canvas painting by the Dutch post-impressionist painter Vincent van Gogh. He sketched it at least 21 times under many weather conditions before he was satisfied. Starry Night was painted in June 1889. The painting shows in the view from an east-facing window in France. Just before sunrise, Van Gogh added on an imaginary village. Since 1941, the original Starry Night has been in the Museum of Modern Art in New York City. Van Gogh was a great stargazer. Starry Night contains 11 sky objects. Van Gogh painted them as stars. However, he painted 6 stars, 1 star cluster, 2 constellations, 1 planet, and 1 moon. Let's explore Starry Night. First, we have the constellation, which is a group of stars that appear to form a picture when viewed from Earth. The constellation is called Cassiopeia, and it has 4 stars. The stars are Sagan, Rabach, Saturn, and Cap. Next, we have a star, which is a exploding ball of burning gas, which gives off light and heat that is held together by gravity. The star is called Capella. It is the brightest star in the northern constellation of Auriga. Next on our journey through Starry Night is the star cluster called the Pleiades or the Seven Sisters. It is a group of over 800 stars and looks like a smaller, hazier version of the Big Dipper. Next we have the star Aldebaran or Alpha Tauri, which is a red giant star. It is one of the 15 stars in the Taurus constellation.
Then we have a very unusual sky object, Algol. It is a 3-star system, Beta Persei, AA1, AA2, and AB. It changes in brightnesses are caused by the 3 stars orbiting each other only a few miles apart, causing eclipses. They look like 1 star from Earth. Algol is in the Perseus constellation. Next, we examine a very familiar sky object. It is the sky object that everyone knows, the Sun. It is the center of our solar system, the closest, brightest star to Earth, and our most important source of energy. One of the sky objects in Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night is a planet. In order to be a planet, a sky object must do 3 things. It must orbit a star, it must be big enough to have enough gravity to force a spherical shape, and it must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any objects of a similar size near its orbit. The next sky object is the planet Venus. It is the second planet from the Sun. The atmosphere on Venus is 96% carbon dioxide. This produces a runaway greenhouse effect. The surface reaches 900 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 day on Venus is equal to 243 Earth days. 1 year on Venus is equal to 225 Earth days. The next sky object is the star Fomalhaut. It is only 225 light years away. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 Earth year. 1 light year is about 6 trillion miles. Fomalhaut. It is the brightest star in the southern constellation Pisces Austrinus, or the southern fish. The next sky object is the Maria. The wonderful Maria is a red giant star in the Cetus whale constellation. Maria has a 332-day dim to bright cycle. The next sky object is the constellation Pegasus. It has 15 named stars, 1 star cluster, and 18 galaxies. It also has a quasar called Einstein's cross. Pegasus contains 18 galaxies. A galaxy is a huge constellation of gas, dust, and billions of stars, and their solar system held together by gravity. Pegasus also contains a quasar, which is a compact region in the center of a huge galaxy surrounding a central supermassive black hole. Quasars emit gravitational energy radio waves, X-ray, gamma rays, ultraviolet rays, and more visible light than our entire Milky Way galaxy. Last, we visit the final and most recognizable sky object in Van Gogh's Starry Night. The moon. It is shown in the upper right-hand corner of the painting in crescent form. The moon is a natural satellite orbiting the Earth about every 28 days. Earth has only one moon. It is the largest and brightest object in the night sky. The moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Please enjoy our digital starry night pictures of cities around the world. Thanks for watching!